Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Welcome to my channel. I'm really excited to share with you today some projects that I created using these dies. So this die that I used to create this project right here. And I cut out of vellum this top layer, and I cut out of this other paper the bottom layer. And what I did was I started stitching the two layers together right here, and then after I stitched it, I also glued it just to make sure that because I knew I was going to be putting sequins in it, I didn't want anything to come out of it. So then I just went through and then I left a little opening, just like you would like with a fuse tool or anything else, and I put the sequins in. And I obviously didn't stitch this hard up until the end right here. And then I just put glue around the whole outside of it, and the art glitter glue has a really fine point needle that I was able to get in between the two pieces of paper right there in between the vellum, and it worked out really great. And so now I have a little shaker pocket made out of vellum, but it's also stitched with this really pretty gold thread because it leaves a stitching on it. And I cut out another one to go into the back of this basket right here. So this is just like the back of the basket right there, just like that. So this cuts out this really pretty stitching right there. And it's really delicate, and cut it out in this really shiny paper right here. It's really pretty. And so then I made this little basket for my mail lady, and it was the perfect thing to put in the back of it for a little Valentine's treat right there. Is perfect. Just fit in there like that. And then the next die that I want to share with you is this die right here. It's really pretty, and it cuts out this heart in the middle, and it leaves a stitched edge, and it cuts out all of these hearts. And so this is what the project that I did. A shaker. And so then it left these individual hearts to put beads and shaker parts, sequins in there. And I cut this out about 10 times and then put the backing on there and the acetate piece on the top, and then another piece on there to finish it off. And this is really cute. I really love these dies. I have a lot more ideas for these dies. By the way, if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. So these were the two dies, and I really enjoyed these. These are from AliExpress, and this is from a new die designer, and hopefully we'll be seeing more of her designs. I will leave some information about where you can find her in my description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!